You a dreamer?
Yeah.
Haven't seen too many of you around lately. It's been tough lately for dreaming. They say dreaming's dead. No one does it anymore. Trying to change all that. I dream every day. Dead, it's just forgotten. Removed from our language. Nobody teaches it, so no one knows it exists. So whatever you do, don't be bored. This is absolutely the most exciting time of